look to make good products, but for that you need a good a process that is cost efficient, process that increases the productivity.
We need to progress in terms of our products, for example, in terms of our processes, so that we are competitive. This is where I think an important aspect of doing the balance and making sure that you are able to retain your workforce, train them to get to the next level, reskill them if required with the right amount of automation, and then you progress. This is my view.
India is the second country in the world where we are offering these solutions, right? Not only producing machines, we're also producing these paper, plastic, sustainable solutions at our facility, which are 100% recyclable. It's been a slow start because for the Indian consumer, it takes time to accept the additional costs. But we see that the acceptability now grows. So we strongly believe in it. I think sustainability should not just be a fashionable word. It is something we should implement. It should also be from an employee perspective. It should be from a perspective of values and the future.
We are working on digitalization and so many iteration to know what we should be doing. That way we are able to manage. But our indigenization plan of getting every component what we are importing to be locally made is going very, very fast. I think even the products, if we bring in the future also from Germany, which are not available at the moment in India, we will be indigenizing them at a much faster rate. Not only for our domestic price requirement, but also for the export requirement. Many things have changed globally. If I say that my product worked for 40 years, I'm not going to get anything for that. So people are going to say that I would like to get it upgraded in 10 years. I don't know whether I'll be in the same business. So I don't see a value for that. So these things we are understanding, and we are investing on R&D in a big way to bring products which actually meets our customer requirement.